Good evening guys and welcome to my vlog. So ngayong araw, I will share with you two recipe. Kaninang umaga nakagawa tayo ng kutsenta dahil tomorrow we're going to attend a party, a Christmas party wearing ugly sweater. An ugly sweater daw guys. So ito ang ating recipe sa bread pudding. This is from my sister sa simbahan. Sabi niya, okay, I will share with you ang bread pudding daw niya. So, gagawin natin today para bukas, Saturday, we are going to share it with our brethren sa simbahan. So, we have here all bread. So, frozen siya, guys. I let it sit for a while para ma-defrost siya. So, guys, sa amin kasi, if they like to eat burger, so bibili ako nito. Of course, 4 lang kami. So, maraming maiwan. What I will do is to put this one in my freezer. Maski nasa freezer guys, still fresh siya dahil na-frozen kaagad siya. So ito si hotdog guys, dahil 4 kami and then the rest, I'll just put this one in my freezer. And now, since I have a recipe for bread pudding, we can use this one. I meet with some ladies at church namin and then she distributed this bread pudding recipe. So gagawin natin for tomorrow dahil bukas guys sa simbahan we have a potluck. So we're going to share this one. I have raisins, I have eggs, I have butter, I have milk, cinnamon, nutmeg, yes I have, and bread. So in this recipe guys is 1:1. So we have to use this milk dahil December 15 siya. And this is 1% but expire na siya bukas. So we're going to use it today. So, on. Siguro ito is 8 cups. 5. So 8 cups siya. So our sugar is 2 cups. Mix it there. This is very simple. All we have to do is just mix it together. This is 1 cup butter. We are going to add 1 cup raisins. Dahil too much na yung dalawang raisins. So we just add 1 cup of raisins. And mix, mix, mix. That's easy. There. We're going to mix all the wet ingredients plus sugar and raisins. And then we are going to scald our bread. This is our warm milk. We are going to just pour it on top of our bread and let it sit there for maybe until it cooled off. That is milk. We're going to soak this one and leave this one until cool. And then we are going to mix this with our other mixture, ang wet mixture natin. So, ayan siya. Akala ko kaya ko siyang i-mix but mahirap. Okay guys, you need an electric mixer talaga. Dahil 8 eggs na siya, it's very difficult to mix it. So, Sister Bebs, thank you for your recipes. So, ito siya, kailangan natin ng salt and cinnamon or nutmeg. Wow, I have a lot of cinnamon and I have a lot of nutmeg as well. Okay, salt. We have nutmeg. It says nutmeg or cinnamon. A dash of nutmeg and a dash of cinnamon. Why not? We have it, right? Oh, super hot pala ito. Okay, we'll just leave it here. We'll just transfer that one, guys. All we have to do is to transfer dito sa ating baking pan ang ating scalded bread. So, ayan na si bread, guys. Ating oven, our oven is 380 temperature siya. So ito siya guys, okay na ito siya for tomorrow. So ayan, ready na. Ilagay na natin siya sa oven. Since lockdown, I used to buy this kind of orange, frozen orange. Aside from cheap lang siya, before 99 cents lang, ngayon na tumaas na ang presyo ng ating orange juice, frozen orange juice, and apple juice. Lahat naman talaga tumaas eh. So before, 4 and 6 na dishes ang dalhin ko sa church para sa potluck guys. Now that medyo tumaas na ang presyo, hindi na ako magano. Minsan, nagdala ako, minsan hindi. So, ayan, makadala ako ng 4 to 6 dishes before. Pero ngayon, guys, siguro 3 lang ang nadala ko. Usually, 4 dishes siya, 2 dessert, and 2 savory na dish ang dadalhin ni Mami. Pero ngayon, guys, it's been a while na hindi ako nakadala. Siguro isang buwan na. Isang buwan na hindi ako nagdala. Bring my own food na lang. Pero since I have this recipe, so nagawa tayo. Siguro makagawa tayo ng 2 dessert bukas. Ito siya. Ito na lang ang usual na dinadala ko. Hindi ko na i-share sa lahat. If 4th Sabbath of the month, ayan, i-share ko siya guys. Pero pag 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 5th Sabbath, ito na lang ang dalhin ko para I can just share 2 or 3 persons. O diba? At least nakashare pa rin. Pero hindi na siya sa potluck, but sa table na lang namin. If I'll bring this, I can share 2 to 4 persons. Yeah, 2 or 4 to 5 persons, guys. Since mahal na lahat, magdala na tayo ng isang savory and isang dessert. O diba? Tikman natin ito dahil napadami ko ng tubig. Okay siya. Not too sweet. Well guys, thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Jennifer's Clubhouse. Bye! Hey! Oh my gosh. Well, thank you for watching and huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe sa ating channel, Jennifer's Clubhouse. Bye! Well guys, thank you for watching and